folks, we are, this is part of our new home construction series, and this is actually in regards to the developing of the subdivision, the streets, long before you folks ever start to build the house. But I wanted to show you here today is what we're talking about is our curbs here, and what we have. So they got the curbs all put in. We always try to get the curbs put in before we do the streets. In this particular case, they're doing some asphalting, so that's nice. And then you see we got our saw cuts right here, and that is for our relief factor. And you see this plastic going across through here. That's our guide. That helps keep everything nice and level. So when they're coming through here, so you know it's a guide for them. And anyway, you can see it. And then we got our stakes right here. Now these stakes right here, they're elevation points. And whenever this was all laid out, the engineers came in here, the surveyors, and this is how we all know where everything's supposed to be. They go off these stakes. They're not to be moved until it gets developed in here, and that tells us where we're at. We also, you know, how much we want to cut everything. So that's how it all flows. That's how it all comes together. And then I got our fire hydrant already put in over here. Storm sewers put in. We'll see. Well, we're going to walk over here real quick here and show you this, and so that you see what we got. And this is pretty good. They got the fire hydrant put in here. This is what it looks like whenever it's at this point, brand new. And we got our storm sewers already stored. I will try to get us another one of these storm sewers put in here. But then we got our electrical put in here now. You see it is here. Any phone lines, stuff like this. All our underground cabling has all been put in. Well, folks, I hope it's been educational. And now you know what it looks like before you even start building anything, any housing. Have a great day. Thank you for watching Galloway Building Services videos. I hope they've been educational. And give us a call. You have any questions about your home or subdivision or anything like this, any building construction, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. Appreciate the help. They help you any way we can.